Hello friends, welcome back. So recently I watched this Dhruv video and I saw that there is a text which is textured to this mountain and I like that. So let us recreate this kind of effect using DaVinci Resolve. Okay, so this is the clip that I'm going to use. Basically it is the mountain climbing and we are texturing our text on this mountain. Alright, so let's open DaVinci Resolve. Okay, let's create new project. Texture create. All right, so I am in this cut page. Let's import our clip. Don't change. Okay, let's bring it over here. Let's go to edit page. Okay, right click this clip and convert it to new Fusion clip. Okay, so get that we can work in Fusion. Okay, now go to Fusion page. All right, let's minimize this. Alright, so select this media input and shift and space to select the effect, or let's surface tracker, click on that and add. Okay, so basically this is same like the object tracking in After Effects. Okay, so to work it perfectly there should be a no reflection. This clip is starting from here, but we want that our text should be like covering this mountain. Okay, so we will be adding this surface tracking from here, not from the beginning, otherwise it will be limited to this area only, and when there is zooming out it will look very small. So around here we can start. Alright, so you can see that there is a the cursor with the plus sign appeared which says to add the points. Okay, so let's add the points. So I will be adding the points like this. Alright, okay, then go to mesh. Okay, here you can select number of points around 200 and minimum point spacing you can keep 5. So there will be increase in the number of points. Okay, so this is the good setting, and then go to this track, select this better tracking and click on track forward and then reverse. Okay, so it will track and create points for our clip just like the After Effects. So you might have seen that in After Effects the tracking points are created for whole the clip, but here whatever the points you have added, only those points included for the particular clip. Alright, so now the tracking has finished, so we can add text. Alright, so select okay, so press shift plus space and select text. Select this text plus, click add. Okay, connect it with this surface tracker. Nothing is visible because we haven't added the text. So let's add the climbers. Okay, so basically this is the climbers house or this climbers mountain, Bulgaria. Alright, so let us see where is the text. So this is the text here. So sometimes the text is not visible, so play your clip because it may be somewhere. Okay, so go to layout and let's move this text over here. Right here, and we can change this position just like this. Through here rotation we can move the rotation. Right, this looks nice. Okay, even we can increase the size of the text, but it is disappearing because this is the border point that we have added. Okay, so we can move it down. So if you move up it will disappear, so move it down over here. Okay, then again we can increase the size just like this. Okay, and then we can decrease the line spacing from over here. Okay, from here you can decrease the line space. Alright, so this is the text. Okay, so if you now play, it will look like it is attached to that mountain. Okay, but it does not have texture. So for that what we can do, just add another node. Okay, so add this merge node over here, hold shift and attach with this. Okay, and then add shift plus space and add this luma key here, this one, add it. Okay, and attach this with this merge, and again also give the input from this media. Okay, now if you change this luminance just like this, it will have this kind of texture. See, okay, so play with the values. Alright, so this looks good. Even you can invert this luma key and you can see that it is having some different effect. Alright, so you can do that also. Alright, then somewhere around here I want to add this another text. over here. Okay, so for that let's add another surface tracker. So shift and space and add surface tracker. We have to use this multi merge node. Okay, so attach this surface tracker over here just beside the first surface tracker. Okay, don't directly attach it with the multi merge node. Okay, so over here now select the surface tracker node and you will be able to add the other points. Okay, so I'm selecting these points over here just like this. All right, go to mesh, select this point around 200 and just 5. Go to track, better tracking, and click for the tracking. All right, now if you want you can just fix the rotation, the color and everything, size, etc. for this text from here and here. Even you can change the position just like this. All right, okay, now we will be adding the text for this second tracker. Okay, so here it is. Okay, so let's select this text, this one, text plus, and add and attach it with this surface tracker second. Okay, and let's write in capital house or whatever you want to add. You can increase the size. Okay, and again layout, suppose I want to keep it over here, want to change this rotation, this one specifically. Okay, just like this. Okay, and let's increase the size. This one is enough. Okay, let's increase the size. Alright, so it looks good. Okay, so that is how you can play with this color, position, etc. Okay, so now if we play, it will look like this. Okay, the climber's house. So it looks like the text is textured over the mountains and it looks pretty cool. Okay, so that is all. If you know the another technique to do it, please share in the comment. See you in the next one. Bye bye. Please like, subscribe and hype the channel. Thank you.